Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of January 2025, our system has categorized Amazon as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.01%. This results in an average return of 1.34% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock is currently positioned within the midst of a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases within this trend. The prevailing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 19.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 12.48% and 23.40%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a forecasted change of about 26.24% over the next year, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 1.81% and 21.25%. This implies a price range of approximately $230.76 to $284.94 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Amazon as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The Amazon stock price gained 1.86% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, rising from $230.71 to $235.01. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.84%, with a day low of $231.19 and a day high of $235.44. The price has been quite variable during this period, with an overall gain of 3.25% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 41 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $9.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $235.44, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 0.18% or 43 cents below the 52-week high, and it stands 81.99% or $1,070.19 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Shares of Amazon gained 1.86% today, continuing a strong start to 2025, with a total rise of 6.72% thus far. The company's recent performance reflects investor confidence, further buoyed by its impressive earnings history, having beaten estimates for 7 consecutive quarters. As the tech giant expands its ventures in artificial intelligence amid market dynamics, there is potential for growth, particularly in its profitable AWS segment, which recently recorded an operating margin of 38.1%. However, Amazon's decision to exit its Quebec operations and cut approximately 1,700 jobs raises concerns about its operational efficiency and cost management. While these layoffs may streamline costs, they can also impact morale and public perception in the short term. Additionally, high net interest coverage ratios indicate Amazon's ability to manage its debt well, which is a positive signal for long-term investors, reinforcing its position among growth stocks favored by major investors. Analyst revisions of price targets, reflecting a strong year with a 47.39% gain in 2024, suggest optimism around Amazon's growth prospects. In the short term, expect volatility as the market reacts to both the job cuts and upcoming earnings reports. Long term, solidification of Amazon's leadership in artificial intelligence and AWS could sustain growth, making the stock an attractive option for investors looking for resilience amid market challenges. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned AMZN a strong buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, Wells Fargo assigned AMZN a positive rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025, Loop Capital Markets assigned AMZN a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned AMZN an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, Wolfe Research assigned AMZN an outperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, as well as the price-to-book ratio. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $224.56 and $223.46. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen by approximately 19.22%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 72 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 80 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $224.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. In general, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.25 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.84%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.74%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Additionally, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.48. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $224.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of December, 2024, Jonathan Rubinstein conducted an insider sale of 4,351 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th of December, 2024, Jonathan Rubinstein conducted an insider sale of 4,549 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of December, 2024, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 3,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of November, 2024, Andrew R. Jassy conducted an insider purchase of 31,960 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of November, 2024, Andrew R. Jassy conducted an insider sale of 622 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 91.344. Overall, insiders purchased 135,622 shares and sold 9,551,682 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $226.36, representing a decline of 3.68%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 38 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the present level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems have concluded that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by $1.13, starting at $233.88. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.